fibers are at the heart of India's journey towards sustainable textiles. Among them, hemp fiber is emerging as a material with tremendous potential for industry and innovation. Recognizing this potential, the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, and the National Jute Board are actively supporting research and technology development to expand the use of hemp across sectors.
तो हेम्प फाइबर पे जब हम काम करने लगे तो हमें ये पता चला कि हेम्प फाइबर में बहुत सारी स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी हैं जो और फाइबर्स में नहीं हैं।
Through scientific research and technological innovation, NITRA is working to convert raw hemp into fibers suitable for a variety of textile and industrial applications. Hemp fiber is obtained from the stalk of the hemp plant and is valued for its strength, durability, and versatility. The process begins with retting, where hemp stalks are treated to loosen the fibers from the plant structure. This is followed by decortication, where the stalks are processed to separate the bast fibers from the woody core of the plant. The fibers then undergo scutching and hackling, which further removes remaining woody material and aligns the fibers into finer, more uniform strands. The cleaned fibers are then refined through a series of machines, including draw frames, roving frames, and ring frames, to enhance their quality and uniformity. They are subsequently prepared for spinning, blending, and the production of various textile and industrial products. Continuous research at NITRA is helping optimize fiber characteristics, ensure consistent performance, and expand the potential applications of hemp fiber. Processed hemp fibers offer wide-ranging possibilities. They can be used in textile yarns and fabrics, technical textiles, composites, and a variety of sustainable products, supporting the growing demand for environmentally responsible materials. The technologies developed at NITRA are being shared with industry partners, enabling the adoption of hemp fiber processing and product development at a commercial scale.
With the help of Ministry of Textiles and the National Jute Board and the processing technology developed at NITRA, we have been able to successfully adopt hemp processing in our processing technology. And using the technology, we have developed various products. And this technology has also helped us cater to both domestic and international markets and take our products worldwide.
उत्तराखंड में जितने तरह के फाइबर्स अवेलेबल हैं उनमें हेम्प भी है। एक लिंकेज हमने डेवलप किया इंडस्ट्रीज़ के साथ में, जिससे कि वहाँ की लेडीज़ को हमने ट्रेनिंग दी। ट्रेनिंग देने के बाद उसने एक तरह से स्किल डेवलपमेंट हो गई उन पर। स्किल डेवलपमेंट के बाद में उन लेडीज़ को अपने आप कैसे फाइबर एक्सट्रैक्शन करना है और कैसे प्रोसेस करना है, एक सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप एक बनाया उनका। हम बहुत आभारी हैं उनके नेशनल जूट बोर्ड के, क्योंकि वो हमें हर जहाँ पर भी हम काम करते हैं वो हमें हेल्प करते हैं और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल्स का सपोर्ट हमेशा हमारे साथ बनी रहती है।
With the support of the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, and the National Jute Board, this collaboration between government, research institutions, and industry is helping build a sustainable ecosystem for hemp fiber utilization in India. With the support of the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, and the guidance of the National Jute Board, hemp fiber is gaining new momentum in India. Through the innovation and research at NITRA Ghaziabad, the future of sustainable natural fibers is steadily taking shape.